Hey guys, super quick video today, just unboxing a book. Nothing too exciting, just something a little bit different. So this arrived for me today from the book depository. Free bookmark, woohoo! Okay, so the book I ordered is a sketchbook of Frank Frazetta's work. I think that's how you pronounce his name. I probably should have looked that up before I started recording. So I don't actually know too much about Frank Frazetta. I just know that people do a lot of master studies of his work. And I just thought it would be cool just to show a few pages, flick through it, just to show you guys what it's like. Obviously I don't know too much yet. Yeah, I don't really know much about him. But as I say, I quite often see people doing master studies of his work and I always thought it looked cool. So I'm literally just going to skip through some of these pages. I don't want to show too much, obviously. And I know that you can buy quite a few of his books, like finished paintings and things like that. But I've always preferred in general sketches and maybe even inked pieces like these. So I was a bit more interested in getting his sketchbook. There's actually two versions of the sketchbook, or there's two books of his sketches. This is book one. And he seems to be incredible at drawing human anatomy, you know, as you can see there. And I actually did read one thing on the internet, I don't know if this is true, but saying that he basically didn't use reference. As I say, I'm not sure if that's actually true, but if it is, then that's pretty mind-blowing. So I should have probably said at the beginning of the video, this book does contain some nudity, so there's your warning, it's a bit late. So it does contain not safe for work images, so if you are too young, then turn around and go home. That's enough boobs for you for one day. But on a serious note, there is nudity in this book, so if you are offended by things like that, you know, look away or at least skip past the life drawing pages that we're looking at. I think he was actually quite well known for drawing some of his female characters, so I probably should have expected this. And I'm going to start skipping through these a little bit quicker, maybe skipping a few pages. Don't want to show the full book. But just for those of you who are interested in these kind of books, he's got some really incredible paintings. From the little I do know, he did quite a lot of work on sort of Conan the Barbarian, or Conan the Avenger, apparently. That might be me getting it wrong. But I'm just really fascinated by the actual sketches more than the finished pieces, although obviously they're awesome too. So it shows you some of his book covers, some of his early work. This stuff, pretty cool, but not as much what I'm into. Anything with dinosaurs in is awesome in my books. And I have seen some pieces like these before online, and I think he actually does some Lord of the Rings work as well, which to me is awesome. Plus pin-up work is always cool. The guy obviously knows his stuff. I was never interested myself in sort of older artists when I first got into art. It's only more recently that I've been thinking I should start, you know, practicing some master studies, looking at their work. People do master studies of his work for a reason, you know, because obviously he is a master artist, I guess. Haven't checked out any of his other books yet, so I couldn't tell you what they're like in comparison. Even stuff like this is so cool. I really like seeing the process of how he worked. Dude likes his women. Super hot women, in fact. Oh, careful where I'm touching. But these are awesome, to be fair. So there's all sorts of different mediums in here. Some of them are finished, but again, it is only a sketchbook, this. Left-handed drawings. I'm assuming from that it was right-handed, which if so, insane. So yeah, that's it. Just a super quick look for anybody that's interested. Obviously, if you are interested, do go buy the book, show your support. For me, the book depository were the cheapest place I could find it. Could have got this in hardback as well, that would have been pretty cool. And I have absolutely tons of other books and a lot of tutorial books and things like that, how to draw dinosaurs. So, you know, if you guys like quick videos like this, I could show plenty more books or recommendations and things like that. Just let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just a short one this week. Let me know what videos you guys want to see in the future. And be sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks, everyone.